Today is a windy and snowy day at LyKeStead Farms. So I'm gonna take you guys around and show you guys how winter looks like at LyKeStead Farms. I will also be feeding the chickens, my cat, and I have few orders, Etsy orders that needs to be shipped out. I will take you guys through my shipping process and how I'm going to go and mail those orders out. Stay tuned. Guess what? We ran out of feed for chickens, so I have to go to my storage room, get the feed along with some scraps, and then go and feed them. Kenny did shovel some of the pathways, if you guys see. He did it by hand, which is not good. Unfortunately, we were not able to get any of the contractors who can come and plow the driveway. So I'll be coming and helping him out. Oh my God, look at this tree. Actually, it's not very cold. I mean, I can still feel my hands, which is good. But it's just the snow that's making it difficult to do anything. You get tired easily. But this is farm life. You can't say it's snowing and stay inside. You have to come and take care of the animals, look around the property to make sure everything is fine. So this is winter on the farm. my mail orders, and my mail lady will be waiting for me all the way in the driveway. So I'm just taking my mail orders. Liana is coming with me, and we're gonna head out.
I'm coming with the shovel.
Oh my god, so much of snow. It's so hard to walk. I think I would I would have at least burnt like 1,000 calories today, and I don't do it daily.